Ninja Cat, and today I'll be playing with my budgies. Got two budgies. This one right here, which is the blue, black and white one, is named Liza. This white one is called Coconut. Now these two are just only 6 months, which in bird years that means they're teenagers, and these ones right here are usually way longer, but we cut them so they can't fly. So we did that on both of their wings. So I did that on both Liza's and Coconut's wings. It's much easier to train them. Watch this. I can do the stairs with Liza. Way easier to cut their wings. So, but don't worry, they'll grow back. The wings, when you cut them, they grow back. Don't worry. Yep. So they're both 6 months, and they're both girls. This one might be a boy. We don't know yet. So far, it's a girl. Come back here. Yeah. They really seem to love my desk. So here's, go get Liza a close-up. Hello. And here's Coconut. Now, Coconut is a loud one. Coconut's a loud one, yeah. Come on, Coconut, you want a close-up on the camera? Close-up. Did it. And now I'll show you Coconut. So, Coconut, her wing. So as you can see, they're the same. So we cut them the same. So these feathers right here used to be longer, and we cut on both sides so they can't fly. They can only glide. It's much more fun training them when you can actually train them and they don't fly off. So they could fly a little bit, but they can't fly high or anything, you know? So, they're playing with the thing I built them. They go through the tunnel and stuff. There's Coconut and there's Liza. Hey! As you can see, Liza has that brown spot on her. We don't know if it's a sore. We think it's a sore, so we put salt and water on it. Someone else their budgie had a sore under the wing, and they did that. So we're going to do that. Yeah, they're really enjoying it. It's real fun to play with. Liza's on my shoulder. Hey, Liza. Yeah, they can go on our shoulders. Even Coconut went on my shoulder and my mum's and stuff. They're getting trained way more if you spend more time with them and stuff. And you want their wings to be clipped because it helps a lot. Yeah, it helps a lot. They're both on my shoulders now. So cute. Yeah. So today I was just showing you guys the budgies and how well they've been trained. Liza's peeking at my hair. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please put a big fat thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe.
Ninja Cat in Z over and out.